Can you guys see how gorgeous it looks? And it hasn't even been laid. This is how the bathroom Hi guys, I'm Kanyisilegele and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe. And to all my returning subbies, we're going to MD. That feels so surreal when I say it. Like, I can't believe that the time has come so quick. But then let me formally introduce the vlog. So welcome to my MD vlog. My MD is in 5 days from now. Today is the 11th of August. It is a Sunday, and my matric dance is on Friday the 16th of August. And yeah guys, I've been waiting for this time, but now that the time is here, I'm really getting nervous. I don't know why, but I'm actually here to just introduce the vlog. As you guys can see, since it's 5 days before my matric dance, I've already gotten all my stuff. I've already bought my shoes, my bag, cologne. I have my dress. Like, well, I don't have my dress with me right now, but I have my dress sorted. I'm just getting it during the week, but I got everything. And I'm so sorry that I couldn't take you guys with me when I went shopping. Dress, I got my hair, etc. But then before the actual MD day, I will do a haul of everything that I got and show you guys my hair, my outfits, after party outfits, my shoes, everything. Like, I will show you guys everything and explain the whole process, when I started planning, where I got what, when I actually got it. But yeah, I've actually been done planning way prior because I got most of my stuff done before June. The only stuff that I did recently was just buy my after party clothes. And yes, we are going to an after party, so make sure to stay tuned and most importantly to subscribe because it's going down. So the only thing I have to get done during the week is my nails, which I'm gonna get done tomorrow after school. I am writing during the week. I'm writing English and I'm also writing LO, so I have to go to school, and I'm actually writing the day before my matric dance. And I'm not gonna get individual lashes because they have to be off on Monday when I return to school, and I just feel like it's a waste to just do lashes for a day. Oh my word guys, my apologies with the background. Like, there's kids next door and they're so noisy if you guys can hear them. But anyways, I'm not gonna get my lashes done. I've gotten strip lashes done before and I don't mind them because I just don't mind them. I just feel like getting individual lashes is a waste and only getting them for a day. Sorry about that guys, I had to wait for this child to finish crying. But then anyways, yeah, the only thing I have to get done during the week is my nails, which I'm gonna do tomorrow. I initially wanted to do my nails on Thursday, but then I just felt like I'm not gonna pay 500 for nails if I'm only gonna get them done for a day, so I might as well just do them tomorrow. Even if people see my nails, it's okay, it's just nails, it's not like it's my hair. But then yeah, that's all guys. So I just wanted to introduce the vlog today, and I will definitely see you guys tomorrow when I go and get my nails done. And I can promise you honey, this vlog is gonna be amazing, so stay tuned. Anyway guys, I will see you guys tomorrow when I go and get my nails done. Can we get it together? I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do it all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body, my body says. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tight. They won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah. Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Gotta go, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Ooh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause I too on the road. Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel. But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now about what you give me play, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you.
you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me when you call me, I come, but then you go again. With your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm going, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and you feel this. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm feeling right now from the side now. Come on then, calm down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Hi guys, so today is Wednesday and it's officially one day before my matric dance. Sorry that I haven't been speaking to you guys. I've just been busy studying because I won't be around this whole weekend, so I've been trying to just push my work. And then yeah, the last time I spoke to you guys was on Sunday. Monday I obviously got my nails done, and then Tuesday I didn't do anything. Today's Wednesday. I want to go buy groceries for the weekend because I will not be at home. I will be somewhere else, but then I will explain all that tomorrow. I just wanted to update you guys with what's happening. And hold on, and I got a delivery. My dress just arrived. Well, not now. Well, it arrived when I was in school, well, at school. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I don't think I'm gonna take you guys when I go buy groceries because I want to charge my phone. And yeah, I'm just mostly gonna buy breakfast items because I'm only going away for like 2 days. Friday obviously I will not be at the house, and then Saturday we're gonna have breakfast, then lunch and supper we are gonna order in, me and my friends, and then Sunday morning we are coming back. Then obviously Monday back to reality. So yeah, I don't know if I should unbox my dress with you guys or not, but guys, you will eventually see the dress in a day's time. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I return from school so that we can unbox all my clothes and I can give you guys all the details regarding my magic dance and my weekend, because obviously you guys are hearing me that I'm speaking about bookings, etc., grocery. So yeah, I just want to explain everything properly tomorrow. It's just that right now I want to study because I'm writing tomorrow and I want to go buy groceries. So we'll do all that tomorrow. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe. Hi guys, so today is the 15th of August and it's just a few hours before my matric dance. Don't be surprised to see me speaking so softly. It's just that I am so exhausted, like I am really tired. I initially was supposed to do this part of the video in the afternoon when I got back from school, but then I was so drained when I returned from school. But we are not here for that, and I can definitely promise you guys that this is definitely the last time you guys see me standing at this place, because since this video started I've been in my room speaking, and I just want to explain the arrangements for tomorrow so that you guys can understand what's happening. So yeah, tomorrow is the 16th of August and my matric dance is at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, obviously. So my matric dance, the red carpet starts at 4 o'clock until 6 o'clock. So I'm planning on arriving at like 5:30. So let me tell you guys what I'll be doing the whole process of tomorrow, so that if I don't have time to speak to you guys know what's happening. So in the morning I have a hair appointment. I'm gonna install and style my hair at 9 o'clock, and then after that I have a makeup appointment at 11:30. I'm not sure how long my makeup appointment is gonna take, but then from my makeup appointment I'm gonna go to the apartment where I will be getting dressed, and I'll take pictures there, and I'll also be staying there for the entire weekend with my friends. Yeah, so I just want you guys to know what I'll be doing step by step in case I don't have time to speak to you guys, but I will definitely be vlogging. I just wanted you guys to understand the arrangements for tomorrow. So 9 o'clock I have a hair appointment, 11:30 I have a makeup appointment in Hatfield, and then the apartment that I'll be staying at is in Lanewood in Pretoria East. I think Lanewood is in Pretoria East, but yeah, the apartment is in Lanewood. I'll be staying there until Sunday with 3 of my friends, so in total it'll be the 4 of us. Yeah, and you guys will see my friends tomorrow, but if you've been on my channel for a while you probably know who my friends are by now. And then after that my matric dance starts at 4 until 6 for the red carpet, and then from 6 till 11 that's when we're gonna have our official matric dance dinner. And then from 11 I'm going to an after party. I'm gonna go back to the apartment, change, and go to an after party. But then my schoolmates are having like their own after party, but I'm not going there. Me and my friends are going to the club after the matric dance. So yeah, me and my friends are going to the club. We want this to be very intimate, hence why we're just going to the club together. I know which club we are going to. Obviously I was in charge of the club department. I just don't want to say the club now. I want it to be like a surprise, so let's keep the suspense going. But so you know what, I'll try not post anything on Instagram so you guys get to see the whole club experience first. I'm not promising, but I'll try. So yeah, we are going to the club. Then we'll obviously be back in the morning Saturday. Then Saturday we'll be at the house chilling, and then Sunday we are coming back home because our checkout time is at 10. So yeah, those are my arrangements for tomorrow. So now let's get to the other part of this video. So let's unbox all my clothes. Okay, so before we unbox my clothes, I just wanted to show you guys my hair. So this is how my hair looks. My wig is from Zen Hair. I'll leave their name here on the bottom. So let me show you guys how it looks. Let me go fix it. Wait, I'll be back. Bless me. So yeah guys, this is how my unit looks. I got a 16 double drawn wig. It's black. It's a frontal, obviously guys, you can see. So yeah, this is how my hair looks. I'm very happy with my hair, and I initially wanted a 16-inch and I got a 16-inch. So I bought my hair in, I've had my hair for long, like I cannot wait to install. I've had this hair since April and now it's August, because I remember when I bought my hair they were having a sale, and I just saw that this is the perfect opportunity to buy my wig because it's on sale. So yeah guys, this is how the hair looks. Can you guys see how gorgeous it looks? And it hasn't even been laid or anything, so can you just imagine how gorgeous I'll look tomorrow? Guys, I know that it might not show that I'm excited. Internally I am excited. It's just that right now I'm not feeling well. Like, I'm feeling so sick. I just want to drink flu medication. But yeah, this is how my hair looks. So let's get into the real stuff, the clothes. Okay guys, so here are my brown paper bags. I have 2 other paper bags. It's just that I cannot carry everything all at once. But here are some of my clothes. This video is probably sponsored by Zara. I'm just joking. It's just that I have 3 paper bags from Zara. So the first item that I got from Zara, I got a cologne. I got a cologne from Zara. I've had this cologne since June. Yeah, I bought my cologne in June. I remember I bought it at Mall of Africa. This is how the cologne looks. It smells divine. I really wish you guys could smell through the screen, but unfortunately you can't. But those that will see me tomorrow will tell you how I smelled. Like, they will tell you how I smelled. Then the next item from Zara is my Matric dance shoes. Here's my paper bag. I'm not gonna tell you guys the prices. I feel like it's not necessary. We obviously went all out because it's empty, so yeah, let's just leave the prices. So here's my paper bag. Here are my shoes. Here are my shoes. This is how my shoes look. They might not look as stunning now because maybe I'm not wearing them, but trust me, with the type of toes that I have such amazing toes. This will definitely do. So yeah, I got this pair of heels. I got a short heel because I cannot walk in high heels, and regardless of it being my empty day, I can't go first, and I don't want to be those girls who walk holding their heels on their hands. No, I want to wear my heels the whole entire night, hence why I bought short heels. And as you guys can see, I also have short nails. Like, I don't like anything that's uncomfortable and long, and I cannot walk with long heels. I'm not familiar with heels, and I'm not gonna strain my legs with long heels, so I got short heels. This is how they look. They're very gorgeous. Okay, the next item, the star of the show, I got my clutch bag for my Matric dance from Zara. Are you guys ready? Like, ready for big yak? I mean, this is the star of the show. You ready? You know what, guys? I'll unbox my bag at the end because my bag is actually like, it reflects, so it shows you guys how my room looks. So I just don't want you guys to see my room because it's a mess. I'm busy packing, etc. But I'll unbox my bag at the end. Now let me unbox my after party outfit. So obviously we're going to the club and I want to look like a baddie, but I don't want to wear a dress because I don't want to feel cold. Like, August is very windy, and one thing about me, I don't like feeling cold. So I got a pair of jeans from H&M. I got a pair of jeans from H&M. I'm gonna wear these jeans with heels, and then the final thing, we'll unbox it after this. So here are my jeans. I got a pair of cargo jeans from H&M. I'm gonna pair them with heels. I'm gonna go with my clutch bag, and I'm also gonna have my shirt that I'm gonna unbox with you guys now. Let me not say initially, this is the outfit that I had planned out because I wanted something that's home but something that's also giving. So I think this will work, and please try and get the vision, like vision it. Pretty soon you guys will see what I'm talking about. It might not look like it's giving like jeans, heels. Relax, guys, relax. When I go to the club, you'll see what I mean. I've tried this outfit on like a couple of times, so I know what I'm talking about, and I didn't want any mistakes. As you guys can see, I bought every single thing from scratch. So Okay, I'm not gonna unbox my jewelry, but I got jewelry from Lufisa. I got a bracelet and I got a ring. I didn't want to do much because my dress has diamonds, so I felt like if I get a bracelet it's gonna steal the attention from the dress. So I just, if I got a necklace it's gonna steal the attention from the dress, hence why I just got a bracelet and a ring, so my hands don't look plain. And then the final item, like the star of the show, take a guess where I bought my after party shirt. Like, take a guess. So yeah guys, for my after party I'm gonna wear my new shirt with my denim, my cargo pants. So I got a crop top from Lacoste. Are you guys ready? Ready? Or is enough for one day? Let me just show you guys my shirt. I got a crop top from Lacoste. This is how it looks. Got a crop top from Lacoste. This is how it looks in the back. And then it has the Lacoste logo here. I got this a few weeks ago. I bought this at Lacoste at Mall of Africa. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah guys, this is my shirt from Lacoste. It matches with my cargo pants and my heels. Like, do you guys see where I'm going with this? So yeah, the advantage with this crop top is that it's long sleeve, so I don't need to get a jacket or anything like that. I think I'll manage because the club gets hot at night because it's packed and there are obviously no windows. So yeah, and I am gonna do like proper top tier unboxings for in my Instagram. So if you haven't seen this properly here, you can go check it out on my Instagram. I'll definitely do like proper unboxing. So let me just show you guys my bag, and then the next time you guys see me, I'll definitely be at the salon. Guys, I don't know how to show you guys my bag because like this bag, yeah, reflect that, and it's not coming out the way that I wanted. I think I'll just insert a picture on the side so you guys can see my bag. But yeah guys, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Let me go get some sleep and drink some medication. As you guys can hear that my voice doesn't sound okay, then I'll see you guys on the flip side. Hi guys, so today is officially the 16th of August and it's my MD. I don't know how to feel, like I'm still in disbelief. Maybe after doing my hair it'll all click. So right now I'm about to leave the house and go to my hair appointment. So I'll talk to you guys when I get there. And as you guys can see, my skin is glowing, so lang nahanap ka makeup o tlo ke le bjang. But nonetheless, I'll talk to you guys when I get there, and yeah, that's all.
I need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sis. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. Do what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get that up. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a down and party. Yeah, the body was so clean. You did a weird verse on it. Back it up high, you look like the body die, me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man. I run like a nothing. I think that's got me to have my head stiff. Yeah, no fair, no cares. Cause too many times you said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, Look how you twist and turn, Baby, I have murder, twist and turn, Look how you twist and turn, Your body drive me crazy, Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man. Fine, oh, but get it, watch your love for like it, why not more, chubadi, check it, push it, yeah, imade, topado, see, kilo, why now, swam now with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me out when you make it. wondering how basic. Why is this so far, man? You wanna get with me, stop. Nose on this side, nose on this side. Hey.
Hi guys, so I just got to the place that I'll be staying at for the weekend and I just checked in, so I'm about to go see my room. Giving. So guys, let's do a quick room tour. So as you guys can see, I'm walking in. And then on your right, you have your bathroom. This is how the bathroom looks. Then you have this gorgeous girl. Yeah, I love the bathroom. It's very clean and spacious. And then when you leave the bathroom, you have your kitchen. And then you have your drawers, you have your iron, etc. I'm just not gonna open them, but I want to see the type of glasses that they have. Okay, well, they have 4 glasses and we are 4. Then you have your stuff to make tea here, and then you have your refrigerator, and then on your right you have your first bedroom. This is how the bedroom looks. I think I'm gonna sleep in here because I want this mirror. You guys know how much I love mirrors. And then when you leave, you have your next room, which I'm gonna be sleeping here, but I think I'm gonna go to that room because I got here first, and I think it only makes sense that I get the room of my choice because I got here before all of my friends. Okay, no, I think I'll stay here because I love the light from this mirror. And then you have your wardrobes in here. You have your ironing board. You have a dryer. Yeah, that's all. Let me take you guys to the sitting room. And then here it is. And then you have your small table with 4 chairs, and luckily we are 4. So yeah, this is how the place looks. I'm not sure if this door opens or what, but yeah, this is how the place looks. It's very beautiful. Yeah guys, so right now I'm gonna change because my photographer is coming at 3 o'clock. I'm gonna take pictures from 3 until 4. Yeah, I think I'm gonna change because it's 33 minutes past 2 and my dress takes quite some time to get on. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get dressed now, and then one of my friends is coming over now. Then my other 2 friends are just gonna come back later because they're preparing at other locations, but this is where we'll be staying for the whole entire weekend. So let me get dressed and take pictures. Let me shake. Guys, can you see me like Lambono? Maybe this light isn't doing me any justice, but I can promise you. Enjoy this. Look So guys, I'll be back when I'm done getting ready.
Yeah, kind of. So let's post it on the door. Maybe it is. You know what? Sa pa ro. Eh? Wala ki may area. Pero pa pare ro. Wala sila siya na. Look forward.
I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Set. Follow the stars. Then you shall find a bad vibe. If you hit your enemy, enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. 'Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifice.
Go never to my date, guys. Can I get them? I don't know.
DJ. Hey DJ, I let the
Hi, the girls. Why let me get remote? Go ahead. Hey guys, so I just got back from my Matric dance. It's currently, I think it's like 12:30, and we are getting ready to go to the club. We are just undecided about which club we are going to. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna wear my new baby. Guys, the light in this home is something else. Can you guys see? And my makeup is still fine after close to 12 hours of makeup, but it's still the same. So let me quickly get dressed because my friends are gone. They're just waiting on me. Then we will go. Guys, I'm so pissed. Look at my shirt. Man. And I don't want to wear this jacket, man. Oh, Mara. Guys, I'm so pissed. Wait. My whole mood just got ruined. Let me be honest. Like, my shirt is new. Blockies. Blockies. Hey! Yebo girl. Hi wena. Eh. Masha. Someone can ask the greens. Ah.
No bother.
Yebo, lapho.
I'm here to jump another Friday one time. What's up? We're gonna take once again. change the door. You niggas see two, but then see floor. I just sing wheel and going low. But it's easy, no we let talk. Change your speed, change the door. You niggas see two, but I'm the floor. I just sing wheel and going low. Let's go. I'm so okay. I'll see you okay. My pet to 3 you okay. I'll tell you 6 you okay. Patinello you okay. MJ you okay. You okay. Tama yellow bone you okay. I'll jams you okay. I'll see you okay.
Hi guys, so today is a Thursday and it's a week past my matric dance, and I'm only getting a chance to talk to you guys now. I'm actually here to close off the vlog. I would have closed off the vlog way earlier, it's just that I was writing the whole week, so I didn't have time to like talk to you guys and vlog. But then I'm off tomorrow, so I just figured that let me just close off the vlog so that I can edit the vlog tonight or tomorrow, since I'm not going to school. So before I close off the vlog, I just wanted to say that why do I feel like my phone is skewed? Okay, I think that's better. So back to what I was saying, my matric dance was a success. Like everything worked out perfectly. Like I'm super happy with the way things turned out. I'm happy with my hair, my makeup, my dress. Like, have you seen my dress, guys? Like, but yeah guys, nonetheless, I'm very happy with the way things worked out. Like super happy. They even worked out better than I expected. And I didn't vlog much at the house because there wasn't much to vlog. I was just relaxing with my friends, and I was literally there for a day, like Saturday, and the whole of Saturday I was recovering from the club experience, etc. And then Sunday we just came back home, and I just wanted to relax before my exams, hence why I didn't vlog much at the house. But there really wasn't much to vlog. You guys didn't miss out on much. And guys, Moloko was fire. Like the club that we went to, like Moloko Main Lane, was amazing. Like wow, it was so great. Like I don't know how to explain it to you guys. The only way you guys could understand me is if you guys go there and experience it yourself. But Moloko was amazing. The MD event itself was great. Like, oh, the only bad thing that happened is that I can't go back again. But nonetheless, at least I have my videos and pictures to like remember and just console my heart. But nonetheless, everything was great. Like, let me just hold it in. I just can't believe that it's all over, because wow. But nonetheless, yeah guys, I enjoyed my matric dance a lot, and I just wanted to close off the vlog. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. So if you haven't subscribed, please do make sure to subscribe, like and comment. And I can guarantee you that when I edit this vlog, I'm gonna put in so much effort, so the least you guys could do is to subscribe, like, and share on your Instagram stories my link to my video, please guys. Like, it would really mean a lot to me. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and once again, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next video.